Hiya, how are you all? Hope you're okay. We've come on a little walk up on Bodmin Moor again, totally different area to last time. Come for a little wander, potentially another little dip if we find a nice spot. We're following a little river along, trying to just have a bit of an explore really and see what we find. I've got the bush box so we can have a brew. So yeah, come on. So I hope you can hear me. The water's quite loud here, but we think we found the perfect spot to have a little dip. So I'm going to spin the camera around and show you. It's so gorgeous here. Hang on a sec. How beautiful is this? So we're not far from the track or bridle path, but we're tucked right out of the way so no one can see us. And just behind me here, that is actually quite a deep pool of water. So I'm a bit nervous today, to be fair, because while again it's sunny, it is really cold today, really cold. So yeah, see if I can brave it again. That was definitely colder than last week, and that's not me just saying it. Hubby's been in as well and has agreed it is actually colder than last week. But I found it almost easier in a way once I was in, a bit of a faff getting in, but like I really controlled my breathing this time, and yeah, so kind of that was easier. But let's try and find some wood and get this stove on. location. Honestly, such a lovely spot. So we're just, just made some coffee, just going to sit here and just take it all in. So gorgeous here. What a soundtrack. We may only have stopped for coffee, but still leave no trace. Wow. So that was epic. Makes you feel so alive, honestly, it's incredible. So we have just left the river behind us and we're heading up this bridle path now, where it doesn't really go anywhere, just up onto Bodmin Moor, so we're just having a bit of a wander. Not sure if we'll be able to bring you any views or anything, but still just good to be outside. Birds are going crazy. So yeah, I've been busy this week planning and prepping for quite a mammoth wild camp next weekend, so I cannot wait to share that with you. Very exciting. May have to be done in 2 or 3 parts potentially, depending on how much filming I do. So yeah, cannot wait to share that with you. So yeah, with my solo camp I've kind of had the same not anxieties, I'm not anxious about it at all, just can't wait, but like the whole like, what do I take, what do I eat? And my rucksack was about 15 kg last time for one night, and I'm going for 2 nights, so that'll be interesting. But yeah, so excited. I have to get up about 4 o'clock on Friday to head off for that. I'm not really a morning person either, so that'll be interesting. But yeah, really excited. This path's beautiful. Let me turn you around, hang on. How cool is this? It just seems to keep going up as well, which is always good. I haven't done the workout today, so here we go. Really pretty though. Gorgeous. And again, the sky, see how blue it is? Stunning, absolutely stunning. And it is actually warmer now. Earlier on, swear to God, when the sun's out, it's like a summer's day, all the sun has to do is go behind a cloud and the temperature just drops. Crazy cold. But oh, this is glorious. This little thing we've just found. It's really little. You couldn't, like, not big enough for a person to fit in or anything. A couple of shelves in there. I don't know what that's for. Just following this little stream down. All these, I think, and I'll put it on screen if I'm wrong, but I showed these in another video, and my dad told me it's golden saxifraga or something, I think. Saxifrag. And look at this. How's that for a mammoth tree? It's huge. Absolutely huge. Oh, God, it's beautiful here. Yeah, and any thoughts on what this weird little cubby hole is would be great. Just spotted these growing by the path here. They're called Jack by the Hedge, and if you pull a leaf off and scrunch it up, where are you? There. It smells like garlic. So yeah, as well as being able to eat like the classic wild garlic that you see grown, the leaves of this are edible as well. But obviously don't just go eating random leaves unless you're not, you know, unless you're 100% sure of what they are. But yeah, interesting. This path is beautiful. Going alongside the most massive house I've ever seen. It's huge, how the other half live. And look at this beautiful tree. Look at this. I'm guessing a form of rhododendron. How beautiful are those flowers? Absolutely stunning. So pretty. Look. Gorgeous. We're on this little road now. Look. Red rhododendrons now. Absolutely gorgeous. There's camellias all growing this side. Beautiful, and as you can see, all the bluebells are just coming out now. Oh, and I tell you, the house we've just walked past, man alive, it was stunning. But yeah, I felt a little uncomfortable filming their house like some kind of weirdo. So I didn't. But, oh, just gorgeous. Sorry if the wind noise is bad because I haven't plugged my wind muffin because it hasn't been windy until now. But look, that's the view over one side of the road. Look, gorgeous cows. Absolutely gorgeous cows. And then I'm going to spin you around and show you the other side of the road. Hang on. I'm really hoping you can hear me, but that cow there has literally just given birth to that little calf. Yeah. We missed the actual birth. How cute is that? And this is the view on the other side of the road. And the path we're going down is literally just here to the right of this fence. Oh, I tell you, when I come to places like this, I also want to be over there on the top of that hill and keep going. I just want to explore. Oh, amazing walk. So luckily we've just bumped into the farmer that owns the land that we're walking next to, and he said, "Oh, are you trying to follow the footpath?" We said, "Yeah." And he said, "Oh, it's a dead end." Apparently you can follow it all the way back down the hill, all the way down to the woods, and then the path just stops and you can't get anywhere. So we've had to turn around and we'll find a different way back to the car now. It's all an adventure, isn't it? Look, look, I want to go down that path, but I can't because it's going in totally the wrong direction. How beautiful does that look? I just want to explore. Why aren't there more hours in a day? Man alive. Oh my God, it's so tempting. But we can't today. We'll have to come back. So the farmer that we've just spoken to has told us that over in that direction, and I'm wondering if it is up on top of the hill. Where's my camera? Kind of there. There's the remains of an old castle. Bury Castle, spelt B-U-R-Y. And yeah, apparently there's quite a lot of sort of ruins up there to have a look round. So we are definitely coming back here. I'm definitely going to go and explore and definitely go down that path. but not today, annoyingly, because we've got to go home. So I'm going to wrap up here, I think, because we're just coming back the way we came. So unless I magically see something different going this way that I missed when we came up, I'm going to sign off now. So thank you ever so much for coming with me. Hope you've enjoyed the walk. I certainly enjoyed the little dip. Amazing. I'm so hooked now. So hooked. Cannot wait to come back up here and explore some more. So yeah, until the next one, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.